This is Motorola Moto G13, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can take a higher resolution photos with more details using the camera of this device. So you can do that in a few very simple actions. Just launch the default camera app, go into More section, and enter the Ultra-Res mode. And once at this mode, the more megapixels you will be provided with more megapixels in order to shoot, thus resulting in way higher depth of details for your pictures. But at the same time, it achieves so by at the cost of occupying more phone memory or storage space. I mean, that's not the best example since the focus on this particular photo was off, really. So I'll make sure to choose the better focus distance, take a photo, and well, here I have it. I guess somehow if I'll go into the picture details, I should see that it was shot at the high resolution. Apparently it did. As you can see at the details or specifications of this picture, it clearly shows that the this particular image was taken in the 50 megapixels mode, and it has quite the resolution of 8160 by 6144. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.